morning, guys. So I am heading to work, and I just thought I would videotape some of this road that I came into. If anybody was thinking of checking this place out, you will know that it is like a washboard. So let's get going. It's a little bumpy, and it's downhill all the way. But the road is nice and wide, and it's not bad. I have been on worse, that's for sure. And that's what happens when you turn. You end up videotaping the trees. Must be a campsite up further, because I saw a few vehicles with campers and boats, maybe a fishing area. I think it's about 10 minutes in the road from the highway. I don't know if that's an ATV trail. I saw a sign coming up about ATVs. Coming up to this sign, ATV, there's an arrow. So is that a 4-kilometer mark? I don't know. ATV. Yeah, and then something for sale. Land for sale, maybe? I think my phone is falling. With all the vibration. A little bit of a view above the trees. Vernon. Not a very good shot, but so because it's such a steep hill and I've had to use my brakes, they are now smoking. And it's the front brakes. And I'm going in Friday to actually get my front brakes done. I guess I might be going in sooner and not going to work. Damn. Oh. So does that mean I can't drive the car? I'm not sure. I have to Google this. Well, guys, I waited for the brakes to cool off. And because it's so early, I have to wait for the garage to open. Work is gonna have to wait, but I am down. Yeah, so I almost made it. And you know what? I know better. I know not to ride the brakes. And what was I doing? I was riding the brakes. And I kind of had suspicions that my brakes were needing done. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I have not damaged the rotors. And there was no warping. I mean, I stopped immediately as soon as I smelt something, fire. That's what it smelled like. And then at first my thought was a forest fire, but we had lots of rain yesterday, so not that that really means anything, but it is what it is. Not much I can do about that, but so I have to wait. I'm gonna sit and wait until the garage is open, and hopefully I can drop the van off, because tomorrow I get a trailer hitch. Fingers crossed that that works out too. So stay tuned. I wanted to show this. That's the highway. Highway 6, I believe it is. And then corn. Cornfield. So it's a nice area. And truthfully, it was a nice spot. I really enjoyed it. Nice and quiet.